Tired of browsing Flipkart and missing out on potential savings? Today, we're diving deep into the art of finding working coupons on Flipkart, your secret weapon to slashing those online shopping bills. Our first strategy is to leverage the vast resources of the internet itself. Open your preferred search engine and type in Flipkart coupons or Flipkart discount codes. You'll find a plethora of websites dedicated to listing active coupon codes. Click on a few of the top results. These are usually reliable sources. On these coupon sites, look for deals that match your needs. Many will clearly state the discount percentage, like 10% off or a fixed amount, such as 100 off. Pay close attention to the expiry dates to ensure the coupon is still valid. Once you've found a promising code, head over to Flipkart. Navigate to the product you want to buy and before checking out, locate the section for applying coupon codes or viewing available offers. Carefully copy the coupon code from the aggregator site and paste it precisely into the designated field on Flipkart. Then, click Apply. If the coupon is valid and applicable to your purchase, you'll see an immediate reduction in the total price. It's that satisfying moment of instant savings. Don't forget to explore Flipkart's own dedicated coupon and offers section. Major platforms often have a specific tab or page where they list their ongoing promotions and codes. Another effective method is to subscribe to Flipkart's email newsletters and enable push notifications. This way, you'll be among the first to know about exclusive deals and flash sales. Also, consider the specific product category. Sometimes coupons are category-specific, offering discounts only on electronics, fashion, or home goods. Keep an eye out for these targeted deals. Remember, flexibility is key. If your first coupon doesn't work, don't be discouraged. Try another one from your research. Combining multiple offers, if allowed, can lead to even greater savings. By employing these simple yet powerful techniques, you'll be a Flipkart coupon pro in no time, ensuring you always snag the best possible deals and make your online shopping even more rewarding. Happy saving!